So today I'm going to talk to you about my favorite DeWalt tool that I own, and that is this DeWalt Jobsite Blower. Now I'm going to put the product in the description below so you don't have to go searching for the part number or anything like that. It has a longer snout, as you could imagine, but I've just shrunk it down to the minimum one so I could fit it in the camera frame, but you can basically double the size of what you can blow. It also comes with some nozzles for if you want to blow up air mattresses, pool noodles, things like that. You can also do the reverse and suck it out if you wish. I pair it up with a 20 volt, 5 amp hour XR battery. I'm going to just quickly showcase how it works. It has 3 different settings. Sorry for your headphone users, but I'm basically just going to be blowing water off, one of my carbon fiber mirrors on my M3. So here is me doing that. So instead of my carbon fiber mirrors, I realized my wax job is a little too good because the water was just falling off. So I decided to use the back of my trunk. I'm going to first use it the lowest, mid, and then the highest modes. So like I said, it's basically me blowing air with this. So I wouldn't really listen to this with headphones, but here is the lowest mode. Mid mode. And the highest mode. This is not water that wasn't blown away. That's just water spots because this is the rear of my garage door, and when it snows I open it up and shovel out my driveway this way, so the rear has gotten some water spots from snow and rain when I open the garage door. But as you can see, through pretty much each of the modes, you can pretty much blow water off your vehicle, and that's primarily what I use the DeWalt Jobsite Blower for. Obviously, in the name, it's meant for blowing dust and debris from any job site, but I find it to be pretty much the best automotive detailing tool that I own, and I use it with every wash. But I hope this showed you what my favorite tool in the DeWalt arsenal, how it works, and if you'd like to pick up your own, now you know how it works on your own too. Like I said, I'll have the link to the product in the description below. If you have any questions about this tool, drop them in the comments. Happy to ask or answer. I have been using it for a few years now, so I'm pretty much know everything it can do and what it can't do. I've honestly used it to blow some light snow off cars. Any odd job you think you would use it for, I've probably done it. So be sure to ask in the comments, and I'd love to educate you where I can. Thanks for watching.